This is the rug that we tried under the dining room table, and it was a trip hazard. So when I had the carpets cleaned, I had them take it back to their shop and heat it up. I mean, obviously it wasn't dirty because it wasn't really used, and lay it out and see if they could get it flat, and they did a great job. It turned out well, and I think it looks really good with our new floor. That's not them. Trying to find the lights. There they are. Couldn't get away from tracks up here, but these are more modern looking. I don't have a good angle, but I'm happy with them. They turned out good. It's a beautiful day here at Rock Creek today. Joe went fishing twice this week. They did great. I think he said one day they caught, I don't know, 50 or 75 or something, a bunch. So Colin, you should be here. Okay, bathroom reveal. It turned out so nice. So what we did was we took the mirror from the master bathroom, which was those arrows that you liked, Robin, and put those in here, this mirror in here, because it matched already the towel bars that were in here. And then, so new toilet in here. Move the artwork. Shower turned out super nice. Let's see if I can get it. Well, that's about as, the room's so small, it's hard to get a good view of it, but anyway. The new closet doors in the bedrooms. Remember, those were the bifolds. We changed them to the sliders. They so much better. Okay, Robin, there's your sheer curtains. And we did end up having to change these blinds because they literally were just falling apart. So I got some of these celled blinds to put on these 4 windows. And those will work until, and if you decide you want something different. But that's what we have in our cabins. They work good. They're affordable. I think I got, for all 4 windows, I think it was right around $200. So not bad. We didn't do any changes in, oh yeah, we did. Because we took that, and then I got this mirror for in here. It's just a plain beveled edged mirror. It looks good. And we were able to use the mirror with the arrows in the other bathroom. So there's the sliding closet doors in here. Just what a difference that makes. And in here, the only change again is the sliding closet doors. Everything, the carpet's cleaned up nice. The carpet in the master bedroom, though, here at the doorway, that's the only one that's a question mark. So I don't know if sometime you want to change out these carpets, but they did clean up good. It's just that that spot right there is not great. But there's nothing we could do about that. We got all the artwork hung up, and that looks good. And then the bunk room, you all are going to have to decide, make some decisions really, and about what it is that you ultimately want to do in here. Because remember, this is a garage floor, and it's not level because it's a garage floor. So it's made so that the water drains out toward where my car is right now and out toward the driveway. So, you know, you'll need to discuss if you want Joe to build up the floor, and then that opens up some other issues. But we can talk about that when you're here, but that really does need to be discussed and thought about, because this is not just a simple convert the bunk room into a master bedroom and master bath. There's a lot of things to consider. But for now, we're happy with how everything turned out. Sorry it took me a couple weeks, or a few weeks actually, to get you this video, but here it is. And I guess we'll see you in September.